Hey everybody, how you doing? Hope everyone's been doing well. Worland Tactical back at it. I know it's been a long time, but let's get into it. Here's a new pack that was sent to me by Tasmanian. I like this company. I got a few other items. I'm going to continue to show more of their products, but this one right here is super cool. This is their survival pack. Let's go ahead and get a little 360 on this guy. Sorry about making you dizzy there. So right in the front of the pack, we're going to get right in this guy. On the front, we have some Velcro pile where you can connect, attach your morale patches, as I have. Top and bottom. Couple slash zippered pockets right here for various smaller items that you might carry in your pocket and you want to put on the inside of the pack, or items you might pick up. Right now I'm not going to go too much what I have in the pack. I'm just going to show you the interventions and what the pack offers. Tucked nicely under here is a couple J clips if you guys use placards for your vest, or if you want to hook a pouch. Tasmanian Tactical actually has a pouch that connects right to these J clips. Super cool. Bungee cord system right here. You can move this from here to here. They have a micro daisy chain, top, side, left and right. Cool feature on the bottom, because this is a survival pack. So they didn't pull no punches. They pulled, you know what I'm trying to say. I'm like trying to spit this out. Anyways, the bottom of the pack is this other zipper compartment with a rain flag. You have the coyote color on this side. Open it up if you're in distress. Again, it's a survival pack. Has an idiot cord on the bottom. Simply just put it over the pack for signaling. If you wanted to be discreet, turn it around, and there you have it. It's a very cool feature. It just folds up, tucks into its pouch. How's it going? This top pouch right here has a handle. Okay, pulls out. Inside has various elastic loops to put whatever items you would like in there. Tuck the handle back in. On the top of the pack, it has two light stick holders or whatever you want. I have the couple battery operated ones from Life Gear. They're also strobes. Has a port on top for a water bladder. Another carry strap on the top, carry strap on the side, one over here as well, with piping on the inside, which makes it stiffer. I like that feature a lot. Dual zippers on the top. These are number 10 YKK zippers with a bit of shrink tubing right here. Opens full clamshell. It has basically cubes on the inside of the pack. Underneath of the cubes, it has another section right here to store various items. Like me, I have a nice little hatchet saw combo, and it stuffs right nicely in there. I put a sock on there so this doesn't dig into my back. But you can put whatever you want in there. Above that is a couple of gear loops, which they have gear loops on the bottom as well. This top cube unzips. You can see the micro honeycomb, nice see-through. It's pretty cool. So you can nicely store all your stuff in there. This pouch does not detach, neither does this one. This is the larger one, which I have various items. If I do open it, they're gonna fall out in this position, but this is the purpose for you guys to see the pack. It has name tapes right here that you can get customized and affixed on the there if you want to identify each pocket. This one does come off. Behind it is laser cut moly if you want to put your own pouches. If not, just simply slap it right back on. This one is removable as well. These two smaller ones are fixed. This bottom pouch right here, also minus the gear, comes with another signal panel. Go ahead and zipper this guy back up. So this signal panel right here has some tethers on it. How this works is you have daisy chains on top that we spoke about. You can put this on, you can attach this how you want, but you simply just take the loops, stick them through the daisy chains, and adjust it and attach it. Now you have another signal panel. Or you remove this and set it next to your campsite or wherever you're injured if need be. And that's another example of how to use that. How's it going? I'm on a busy trail. I'm actually at the bridge where they filmed Lost Boys. I filmed here before. I just like this area. It's close to my work and super cool. But as you can tell, the bridge is down the street right there, a little down the road, little bike path. People like to ride this every day. But that's the famous bridge from Lost Boys. Okay, now that we got on the inside of the pack, we went over everything that you can do on the outside of the pack. You got your side carry handles, you have your backpack straps. They're connected on the bottom like the old Alice bags from the military. So they kind of do a loop thing, wrap around. I like this. I've seen mixed reviews on this. I like this a lot because some people will like them detachable. But you know what? It is detachable. You just unclip it right there. Super simple. On your back portion where the pack sits, you can attach your water bladder. Just pull this tab open, your water bladder slides right in there. Or if you don't use a water bladder, whatever other items you want. So these two straps, these carry handles are my favorite. I like these on a lot of packs, a lot of backpacker packs. Arc'teryx has this, and it makes it so much easier to put on your pack, like so. And then it has your chest strap, which is adjustable, slides up and down. There's different loops, you can attach it. Here's a loop for various items if you want to hang off there, use it as a daisy chain, or if you want to run your bladder through here. And I lost some weight, so I'm back to 200 pounds, so you can see the size of the pack on it. Super comfortable. These straps right here I like a lot. They have loops on the bottom, so when you want to tighten them, you can either just, pull the straps, get them nice and straight first, right? Or you can put your finger in there and pull them down nice and tight. Doesn't shift. Even if you bend over, it doesn't slide off you. They did a hell of a job for this pack. Look, guys, I am very biased when I do test things, and I'm very honest, but I usually only test products that I want you to have. I put these things in the ringer. I've had this thing for about 2 weeks now. I've carried it in and out of my car, up on top of some of my vehicles at work, tested out. I've had some of my guys try it on, different body sizes, which I'm probably gonna splice in another video when I get to it. And I just wanted to give you guys the best, information on the pack I can. I like testing them first before I present them. I have some more packs to test as well, but right now, this is what I'm doing. Again, this is the Tasmanian Tiger Tactical Survival Pack. One last feature to talk about is the bungee cord on the end. So I put it in the lower pouch because I like to see my morale patches. Some people will put their bungee cord in the middle, and it covered my morale patches. I wanted them exposed. So I'm gonna tuck those tags in there. I'll take the tags off soon once I stop messing with the bag, but it just keeps the information on there if I'm out and about and somebody asks me about the pack, which about 10 people already have, and I've already presented to LA Police Gear. I went in there and we were chatting about it because I always like to show them my new gear I get. So here's your head wrap. Good thing to have when it's hot out, just like this. I like to wrap it up, carry it on the outside of the pack. But again, you can put the pack on like that, or you can do like the old school military style. Grab the two handles, and it goes like that. Also, like I said, you unclip these. There's a portion in here to tuck in the straps. How you doing, sir? Good. So go ahead and tuck this in. And they set this up so you can carry the bag without the straps if you choose to. Give them a little tuck in there. You can carry it like a briefcase, or just a nice little carry-on bag if you don't have your survival stuff in there, or if your vehicle, you just carry it like this. And again, I mean, the innovations on this is amazing. I've seen different price points on this guy. Tacticalgear.com. I believe they're $189 right now. So they come in various other colors. You can find them on, again, tacticalgear.com. That's one of their suppliers. So pull these straps back out. Super simple to do this. Super easy, convenient. Again, like I said, people are griping about how these straps come on, but again, they're just quick release right here if you need to ditch the pack. And if you're going to ascend up something and you need to drag the pack, take it off your back, whatever you need to do, they make it super easy. Well, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. I got to run. Stay tuned for the next one. Again, this is Tasmanian Tiger Tactical Survival Pack.